Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Provember um, tool deals from Lopes. So we got the Provember, the Pro section from Lopes. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. We got this tool deal for $99. This is meant for DIY, so just keep that in mind. These are brush tools. There's brushless tools out there for the prosumer level. 233 two-piece for $99. Got a $169 6-gallon compressor. It's a really nice compressor there. And then we got some titanium bits. I think these are great deal, guys. I did get them last time for 16 bucks. So these are on sale for just under $15. Definitely recommend you guys get them. You got this one. It's the impact, not the impact driver. It's the 12 volts for $99, and then you got the impact driver driver for $149. And then you got a nice black oxide there, or black and gold, my bad, for $14.98. And then that for $24.98, 110 piece, which is a great deal because you're getting a lot of bits and pieces there for that price. $99 for that light, and then $8 for that blade. Then this is a nice blade set for $24.98. Definitely recommend. It does have a nice case, 5-piece. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna get it next time I go there because I think this is a much better deal than the other brands that we've seen before. So we got that kit there for $99. It is a 227-piece mechanics set there. It does include all kinds of, like, 3 types of ratchets and sockets and all kinds of stuff. So $99 for that 270 or 267 piece. It's mostly like for the house. And that one's a drill for $99. Then we got tool bags, guys. A lot of clearance on these tool bags. Seems like they're phasing them out. They're going to be putting some new ones, or I don't know what they're doing. So $7.98 for that one. For the AWP tool bag is a 12-inch. Then $13.58 for that one. It's hard to see, but it does have the pockets on the back there. And then 48 piece for $49.98. And then you got the 83 piece for $69.98. So these are deals. You might want to check them out because sometimes you'll see these crazy deals and nobody even pays attention. So 51 piece, $59.98. It is gunmetal. Just keep that in mind. It's the nicer color. And then you got the small kit there for $14.98. It's a 20 piece, like a ratchet socket set. And then you got some more of these Kobalt tools. So really nice Kobalt tools, $99 bare tools there. They're like a right angle drill. And then you got a 50 piece there for $31.98. Pretty much like a universal bit set there. And then a 319 piece for $159. And you gotta watch out these prices, guys. Cause like I said, they'll lower the price and they won't put a yellow tag. So you just gotta keep an eye on these prices. And these are impact rated, by the way. Usually you can tell by if they have like a little impact driver at the bottom of or around the front. $248 or $249 for that brushless compressor there, and then $99 for the brushless circular saw. And then you got these are mainly for the DIY. Some of these are DIY brush tools. You got the Kobalt XTRs 109. I guess maybe it's a bare tool if that's in the right place. And then you got a circular saw for $109 with a nice case. So they did lower the price on these. I gotta say that. So $9.98. It was $14.98. So it's a 14 piece, I believe. And then I saw this, a blank case. I thought it had some bits in it, but for $5 I was like, oh, I got the deal here. And it was just a case. So $249 for that 2-piece combo kit, made in the USA from Dewalt. $229 for that 2-piece combo kit, drill driver and impact driver. And then you got the 4-piece there at the bottom for $349. It seems like that's on sale. And then I saw the same thing over here, so $179, either the drill driver or impact driver. So $349 for that 4-tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger. Then you got the impact driver for $179, made in the USA, XR with 2 batteries. It's hard to tell what kind of batteries they are, but you know, it must be the higher grade batteries with the one with the. That's a nice kit there for $19.98. Great value. It was $22 last time I checked, so they went down. Definitely a great deal on that. Then $24.98 for that kit. 110 piece. So it does include some drill bits. And then, yeah, this is the Pro or the Provember. They got this deal. This the Dewalt 5-tool combo kit for $299. I gotta say, most of these tools are brushed. So you're not. I think the best deals are those. The Bosch Freak 18 volts. Those are brushless tools for $99 with the battery and a charger. Definitely some great deals from Bosch. And they are brushless, I believe. And then you got this miter saw for $399. This is definitely a great deal, but last year we did see this with the free miter saw stand. I think this year they're gonna get ready to do that. So just keep an eye out. Stay tuned to this channel and subscribe so you guys won't miss on those deals. You got the table saw. It's a compact table saw for $399. Then you got some blades here. 7 1/4 24 tooth, $9.98. 7 1/4 40 tooth for $14.98, and 7 1/4 60 tooth. The finishing, or not the finishing, but you know the better cut for $21.98, and then $8.98 for the 24 tooth, 7 1/4. $29.98 for these nice clamps. I like the clamps from Earwig. They're really nice. It's a nice kit there. And then that's the stand, the miter saw stand for $199. Like I said, last year we did see this free with the miter saw. So it was definitely a killer deal. Whoever got it definitely got a great deal on that. $59 on this extension cord on the Pro section here on lobes. $119 for this 6-gallon pancake compressor. It's a really nice compressor. Definitely some Metabo HPT makes some good air tools and compressors. You get a 12-piece demo reciprocating socket for $19.98. That's a really good deal on that. You're getting, for those, you're getting the same price as the Dewalts. And these are great blades. Let me tell you, those are definitely some great blades. You got a 14-piece, $99. Got 11-piece for $39.98, and a 9-piece Tarantula for $69.98. So most of these are whole saw kits. I don't know. There's mixed reviews out there. Some of you are commenting down on these videos that Spider sucks. That the bits break and the whole saws are useless. I don't know. So if you guys use this brand, let me know down in the comment section what your experiences are. They might have just had a bad batch, or who knows. Let me know down in the comment section. You got some different spade bits there. Then you got some gloves for $14.98. Now that the winter's coming, you need some gloves, so you gotta get all the gloves you can. $19.98 for the filter for the vacuum. Then 21-piece for $25.98. And then you got some bags there for $14.97 for the Dewalt vacuum, and they are from 6 to 10 gallons, so $14.97. And then $24.98. Pretty much the same thing as the one that we flipped around just a few minutes ago for some 110-piece for $24.98. Then this is the same one we saw over there too. This is definitely a great deal, guys. If you guys could get this, titanium's the better bits to get, because titaniums are for metal, as it says right there, for thicker metal. So you got a 1/16, 5/16. So definitely some great bits there. And then you got some saw blades, as we did see on the other side, 1998. And you know what? These in the Linux, I would go with Linux, just personally. That's my brand. And then you got some blades here for the miter saws, or the whatever you want to use them on. You got a 10-inch 60 tooth for $34.98, and then you got a 12-inch 80 tooth for $39.98. Really nice finishing blades there. Then you got some blades here. You got the shock, the Lunken shock double-sided tape measure there. Really nice. And then you got the control series here with just the regular. So $14.98 and $19.98. I would go for the $19.98 if you use a tape measure all the time. Definitely worth the price. Then you got the Metalweight HPT 2.5 finishing nailer. Yeah, guys, a lot of great deals. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. I really do appreciate you guys subscribing and comment down below, see what you guys think about these tools. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.